Do you want to get a high score in your JAM exams, WAEC or NECO? Do you want to get a high score in JAM, WAEC, NECO, or in your university exams? Subscribe to this our channel, Tclassified.com. Once you subscribe to this channel, you'll be getting lectures and tutorials on how to get very high score in JAM. You'll be getting subject-based teachings from the JAM curriculum as well as WAEC and other exams curriculum. If you're in Nigeria and you want to write any exams like JAM, WAEC, NECO, this is the best channel for you. Quickly click on the subscribe button. You can also get to our website www.jambwaecnecouni.com. I will leave the link on the description part of this. www.jambwaecnecouni.com. You can also call my line so that you can easily get technical support. The number is +234 70671 62698. Or simply, if you're in Nigeria, you can just call 070 671 62698. You can download our Android app from Google Play Store. Just go to Google Play Store and type in jambwaecnecouni, only jambwaecnecouni on Google Play Store. You see our app there, you download it so that you can easily access our video and lectures from there. Please click on the subscribe channel on this very YouTube channel that you're watching. Click on the subscribe channel so that anytime we update our videos, you get it. If you really want to get high score and good grades in JAM, WAEC or NECO, you can always call me so that we'll talk about our lesson plans. We have lesson for students so that we'll coach you, drill you with curriculum-based materials so that when you write your JAM, you pass excellently. So please click on the subscribe button, subscribe if you want to get high score in JAM, WAEC, NECO, or any Nigerian university exams. Please check our website www.jambwaecnecouni.com, or you can call us with all these details. You can take note of them. Click on the subscribe button immediately so that you can start getting this. Thank you.